What's up, YouTube fam? This is your girl Mata MV Artistry, your number one fashionista. So in today's video, you guys, it's just going to be a continuation from my Shein haul part 1. So if you haven't seen that video, get ready to see it right about now. Check out the ℹcard and go check out that video so you can be caught up to speed with what's going on in this video. So I'm just going to show you guys the rest of the items that I got. It's going to be split up in 2 segments, okay? So segment number 1 is going to be the rest of the items I got for myself. And for the second segment of the video, there was a question that I asked, and I also left it in the comments. I said, if you think that I have purchased mother-daughter outfits for me and my daughter, to comment below, let me know what you think, and the answer will be revealed in this video. And the answer to that is, of course, you guys. So yes, we have matching mother-daughter outfits. So for segment 2, it's gonna be like a lookbook type of thing because I don't want this video to be super long. So it's gonna be like a lookbook type of thing with us in those mother-daughter outfits. It's gonna be so fun, so amazing. Like, those outfits are the bomb.com. We're gonna be super cute. So I'm just gonna say, get ready to enjoy, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. And I'm not gonna go into detail on those. What I'm gonna do is just pop it up on the screen so you can see how much my outfits were and how much her outfits were as well. So I'm super excited for you guys to see this video. So let's just jump right into it.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws.
Okay. So, one of the outfits that was also in the last video was this beautiful yellow or goldish looking dress here. Had the little circles on the arm, which was super cute, and also the circles at the bottom. That was totally cute. Nice little outfit. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on me. You know how I do, how I model a little bit, you know, how I do. Yes. Yes. So that was that dress, and on to the next. The next one, which was also unboxing part 1, was this beautiful cheetah-licious dress here. Now this one, I absolutely love the sleeves on this one. This is like my baby of the dress. I love it. So adorable. And yes, this is a dress, but like I said in part 1, it looks super cute. So for me, I'm mainly going to wear it as a shirt. A super cute shirt with like some tights or something. But for this video, I'm going to show you how it looks both ways. How it looks as a dress, and also how it looks with some tights on and some heels. You know, I'm going to style it up a little bit. So that's how that looks. But mainly, it will be worn as a shirt because I'm 5'7" and I'm too tall for this little short dress. It's super cute though. It's super cute. So that was the second and the last item that I'm going to repeat from the last video. Now, the next thing that I got from Shein that you all did not see was this gorgeous, beautiful blush and black polka dot dress. Oh my god, guys, I love this dress. I like how it has a little cuff here on the arm, and it also comes with a little tie back. It don't go in front, it goes around the waist, but a nice little tie back to go with it, which made it super cute. Like, I absolutely love and adore this. I actually already wore this, and I wore this to church, and I got so many compliments in this dress. People said it was so elegant looking, and I mean, it's the truth. Like polka dots and like a nice, beautiful tone color, like blush. It's so extravagant. It looks so good. And how I paired it, it was to die for. I had this head on. Like, you can tell me nothing. Like, I was like, I am the stuff. Like, I was so cute. So I paired it with my little heels, my little head that I got from Walmart. I'm telling you, it doesn't take much to look good. Like I always say, you can look good on a budget. So I just threw it together with some few little pieces that didn't cost a whole lot and made a super cute look. And I rocked it, okay? I'm just gonna tell you, I rocked it. So I got this from Shein, and I will have it on the screen how much this cost, because right now I can't remember how much it was. But so that was that outfit, and everything that I'm gonna show you in this haul, it was actually a large, and the large on Shein is an 810. So if you wear a size 8 to 10, get a large. If you're a size 6, get a medium. So yeah, this was a large. And my next item that I got for Shein was this beautiful olive dress. And like, I'm a fan for fancy sleeves. So I got this because I also like the sleeves, like a little puff sleeve there. Super cute. And it also has the tie back as well. You see? And I think I'm going to pair this like with, I love blush too. With like some blush heels, you know, maybe like the color of my watch. Look at that. That looks cute with green. Pink and green is so cute together. And no, I'm not an AKA, but those are actually some cute colors together. So yes, that was also another item that I got from Shein. Super cute. I needed some regular solid dresses. So I was like, okay. It's plain and everything, but it's still cute. It's still popping. It still got some little to it. Put a little in it. So yeah, that's why I got this piece from Shein. Super cute. And my next item that I got from Shein, let me tell y'all about this piece. I actually seen this next outfit on another YouTube's channel. She had got a Shein haul and she had purchased this outfit, and she was almost like my same size. And it was to die for. It was so cute on her. And I'm going to tell y'all, I was like, I'm going to cop that. Thank you, boo. Because looking at the picture of the actual outfit on the Shein website, I would have never bought it because it looks so ugly. I'm just going to be real. It looks so ugly to me. But once the YouTuber got the outfit and she put it on, I was like, okay, they look cute. Okay. So I went and got the same outfit. I sure did. And if you like it, I'm not going to be mad for you to go get that same outfit. Go get it, boo. And that was this two-piece outfit here. Super cute, guys. Like, how cute is this crop top? Look at these sleeves. I love how it's so flowy. Yes. Yes, flow. Like I'm about to fly away or something. It's so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. I love it. I absolutely love the top. And it's paired with this. And this look like it's like a little skirt or something, like a long skirt, but it's actually pants. Very, very bell bottom, wide bell bottom pants. But oh my God, and when you put them on, it's like they're high waist pants and you can't see it, but it's dragging the floor. For me to be 5'7", for me to be super tall, I love the fact that they're super long and I can wear them as high waist and they still be long and not short at all. Like, when I put these things on, guys, they're so cute. And when I seen her with them on, I was like, that is me. That is me. So I'm so glad that I seen her video and I had to go and make that same purchase. I just did. It was too cute to pass up. And I think this was one of the more expensive items, but it was so worth it. It was so worth it because Shein, their items are not too expensive anyway. Some items are a little more pricey than the other ones, but it's worth it. It's so worth it. I would definitely buy it again. So that was the last item that I got for myself that is going to be shown in segment 1. Now, so again, get ready for segment 2. It's about to be on with this lookbook. Lookbook. Okay, lookbook. Hey, lookbook. Hey. It's about to be on and popping, so get ready. Like I said earlier, I will show you the prices of those items as I pop them up on the screen. And so, let's get into it. most certainly enjoyed creating this video for you. Yes. So if you have made it to the end of this video, I just want to congratulate you for staying with me till the end. Like, you all are truly the real MVPs, and I love each and every one of you. And if you're absolutely new to this channel, thanks for coming to see about me, boo. I see you and I appreciate you. So don't just tune in though. You might as well stay, because I am here to entertain you. I'm here to keep you informed. And most importantly, I am here to save you some coin, okay? So you might as well join the Model Envy Artistry team. Just go ahead and join the family. We are loving over here. We welcome you with open arms. So go ahead and hit that subscribe, hit that like, and hit that bell somewhere around this area, so that you can be alerted each and every time I upload a video. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I love each and every one of you. And until next time, bye guys. I don't know why I have all this energy today, and I just want to move and dance and move around and spin and twirl and all that good stuff. I don't know what's wrong. I didn't have no sugar. I don't know. Bye guys, and out. Peace.
Do I kick out first? Boom. So boom, boom. What your body doing? Boom, boom. So look at me.
We twinning.
Boom, 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 boom. Is that right? Let's do it fast. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, you got it.
That was right. I feel stupid. I feel so stupid.
That's better. 1, 2, 3, go.
Cross, cross, cross. Bring it back. Pose. You go 1, 2, and then bring it on back. Cross. Now when you do it, look at the camera, and then end back in your pose like this. There you go, girl. Are we too far apart? Step, step, turn. 1, 2. Got it? Let me see you do it. It's the same thing. I just did a fast. Oh, sorry. Let me see you do it. No, you get an extra. Any extra, I'm going to throw the whole thing up.